Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got all mixed up lacquer, What the Fwoop, and Uber Chic UC Nice and Negative stamping plate. I've already got on my Nailtiques base coat. Here we go with all mixed up lacquers. And this is What the Fwoop. It was polish pickup October 2021. Beautiful pink polish with so much fun up in there. It's got little flakies or chrome flakies. I mean, this is just so pretty. I don't know what the reference stands for. I can't remember what the theme was for that month, but in any case, it's a beautiful pink polish. And you guys know how I feel about pink polish. Here we go with our second coat of What the Fwoop. So pretty. Oh, yummy. I'm going to top it with I&M's Out the Door. This is a kind of a thinner, fast dry top coat. That's why I use it in between my stamping layers and stuff. I don't want that nail getting too thick. Going to cap my free edge here. And here is a swatch photo on its own. And this is Uber Chic, Nice and Negative. New favorite plate here. And I'll be using Maniology's Double Bubble. Nice blue metallic. I've got out a cube stamper from Maniology and a Maniology scraper today. So we're going to mix this up just a little bit. It's going to be basic stamping. But I'm going to put this image on my two accent nails. It's going on my thumb and on my ring fingernail. And then I'm going to do something different with the other three nails. I do clean my stamper off on a lint roller. You could use a piece of tape. And I clean my stamping plate off with pure acetone. No conditioners, no oils, no nothing. You don't want any of that stuff in there. You just want those, clean, good acetone. I don't know how good it is. Okay, it works good though. So there we go with our accent nails. They are done. Pretty little hearts or open hearts, that negative space. I do clean my plates with pure acetone, like I said, and even my plastic ones or whatever you want to call them. I use pure acetone in them also. So I decided to use the single little heart on the other nails. Just kind of plop it down kind of in the middle, just so they all go together. But you guys know sometimes when I'm playing, I can't be, can't just stick to that accent nail stuff. I got to do all of them. And here I do use a little piece of tape to remove any excess image that I don't want going on my nails or my skin. I have definitely stamped my skin before. So there we go. And we got to get one more. Let's clean that plate off one more time. And here we go. One more. I am so in love with this plate. I hope y'all don't get tired of seeing it. We're rolling it and we're cleaning it up. And then we're plopping it on the nail. There we go. Awesome. So I've got a little bitty bit of cleanup to do on these accent nails. I'm getting off that excess with a little bit of tape here. And then we're going to go in with the cleanup brush and some acetone. You could use nail polish remover. I'm not saying you have to use acetone. A lot of people do use just regular nail polish remover. Me, I like to get it over quick, so that's why I stick to the acetone. I'm going to top these with some Maniology smudge-free top coat. It's going to seal that design in without smearing it. And then once that's dry, I'll be using Sèche Vite today. And we're going to polish this one off and finish it up and call it, ta-da, done. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I know it's kind of like a Valentine's Day looking thing, but hearts are any time of the year, right? There's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.